Hi guys, big news, DeepSeek has launched its brand new update. DeepSeek V3.1 Terminus. In this video, I'll break down what's new, what's improved, and how it stacks up against the previous version. Let's dive in. DeepSeek has always been one of the fastest growing AI platforms, famous for open source contributions and stable models. Now, with the Terminus release, things are different. This update has been refined directly from community feedback. That means these changes aren't just promises, they're backed by actual results. Let us discuss key improvements. So, what exactly got better? Language consistency. Outputs are now cleaner, with no random characters or CN/EN mix-ups. Agent upgrades. Both the code agent and search agent are now smarter and more reliable. Stability and reliability. Benchmarks show Terminus is more stable and consistent than before. Alright, now comes the real test, benchmarks. Because let's be honest, any company can claim their AI is smarter, but the numbers never lie. So let's put DeepSeek V3.1 head-to-head with the new Terminus update. Reasoning mode, without tools, MMLU Pro from 84.8 to 85.0. A small jump but solid stability. GPQA Diamond 80.1 to 80.7. A tough exam, and Terminus still moved ahead. Humanities last exam from 15.9 to 21.7. That's a massive leap in reasoning power. Live code bench 74.8 to 74.9. Almost unchanged. Stability locked in. Code forces 2091 down to 2046. A slight dip, but that's the balance of fine-tuning. Agentic tool use. With tools. BrowseComp 30.0 to 38.5. Huge boost in browsing power. BrowseComp ZH 49.2 down to 45.0. Small dip here. Simple QA 93.4 to 96.8. Even sharper answers for simple queries. SWE verified 66.0 to 68.4. More reliable coding. SWE bench multilingual 54.5 to 57.8. Big win for global developers. Terminal bench 31.3 to 36.7. Stronger performance in system-level tasks. So here's the verdict. Reasoning? Smarter with that massive jump on humanities last exam. Tool use? Stronger than ever, especially in browsing and coding. Overall, Terminus is a clear upgrade over V3.1, even with a few small dips. You can start using DeepSeek V3.1 Terminus right now on the app, web, and API. And the best part, the open source weights are available on Hugging Face for anyone to test and customize. Guys, I gave DeepSeek Terminus one simple prompt: create a SaaS landing page with the name just AI space and add features, and I will click run. And here's the results. A clean hero section with product name and call to action. A features section showing core tools and integrations, auto-generated pricing plans, free, pro, enterprise, testimonials, and a complete footer with links and socials. All of this was built instantly. No manual coding. This shows how powerful DeepSeek Terminus is for building SaaS websites. In minutes, you can download and run this SaaS landing page, and you can copy and download this code also. I gave DeepSeek Terminus this prompt: search the web and tell me the top 3 AI conferences happening in 2025. And here's the response: NeurIPS 2025, one of the top research conferences, focused on the latest AI studies and breakthroughs. Second is ICML, International Conference on Machine Learning, a premier conference dedicated specifically to machine learning research. Third is the leading conference focused specifically on representation learning, a core aspect of deep learning. This demo shows how powerful Terminus is for web-based research. With just a simple prompt, you get accurate, up-to-date, high-value information without having to search manually. I asked DeepSeek Terminus, implement a binary search tree in Python with insert, search, and delete functions. Here's the step-by-step breakdown it generated. With just these 3 functions, insert, search, and delete, You can build and manage a complete BST. It's efficient, average O log N time for operations. Worst case, unbalanced. O of N. So, what do you think? Is DeepSeek Terminus ready to give tough competition to ChatGPT, Gemini and Claude? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.